Hi everyone, Cindy here with Grome Sewing Machine Company. Remember the last couple of months we've been kind of teasing, putting out little sneak peeks? Well, here is our surprise. We've just purchased a brand new building. Come on in, let's take a look. Welcome inside. So let me tell you a quick little story and then we'll take a tour. In 1950, my great-grandfather Isidore and my grandpa Lou Grome started Grome Sewing Machine Company. In 1958, my dad Richard Grome joined them, and in the 80s and early 90s, myself and my sister joined the company. This month is our 70th year anniversary, and what a better way to celebrate than to have a new building for all of you. Now follow me and let's take a look. We're so excited. Here we go. This is going to be our main showroom where we will display all the brands that we carry and hope to pick a few other brands up. Follow me this way. Right now it's empty. We just got the green light. That's what's been the holdup all along. But we finally got the green light to start putting merchandise in here. Over here will be our checkout counters. So you don't have to wait. Now we'll have 3 registers for you. Let's come on this way. If you take a look up here, this is employees only once you get to the back. And this is going to be our service department. Everything's still kind of in process. When we come through this door, this is going to be our warehouse and storage area. And then over here to the left, you're gonna see some shelves. This is when your sewing machines are ready and you'll come and pick them up. Let's go back this way. So this building is almost 8,000 square feet. We are so excited. For those of you that have been going to our other location, no worries, we're not closing that one down. Let's go this way. But you know, we outgrew our space over there and we were needing something big, and our vision is big, so God willing, everything's gonna work out for us. As you follow me this way, it's a private hall. So down this hallway we have an office and we have a private restroom for employees, or Cindy's restroom. And here is another office. Now the best thing that you're gonna love, so this is going to be our training center. And lots of space, lots of tables. And we'll also be hosting events here. And I hope to bring some big names to you so that you can enjoy this room. And then as we make our way this way, for those of you that go to Gromes in San Antonio, we only have one restroom over there, right? And so when we have classes, you kind of have to wait. Well, in this building, you don't have to wait anymore. I'm excited about this. So you come down this hallway, you have a big storage room. Over here is the men's room, right? And we even have a urinal. Exciting, right? And then we have the women's restroom. And we've got 3 toilets. I don't know how long it's gonna take us to get this all built out. We've been buying products, slat wall, fabric, shelves, and everything we can think of. And but we're excited. We think that it'll take us probably all of April to get it stocked. We're having a little bit of trouble finding computers at the moment. In case you're wondering where we're at, because I haven't mentioned that, the address to this building is 2040 Universal City Boulevard, Universal City, Texas. It's not far if you live in the northwest side of town. From our other location, it takes about 25 minutes to get here, but it is Universal City, Texas, not too far from Randolph Air Force Base. I hope you're just excited as we are. We started this back in December, and it's taken us this long to get the green light from the city. Everything has been taken care of and we're up to code. So now we're ready. And on a more serious note, I hope this has brought a little bit of joy to you for those of you that live over here in this area and don't necessarily like to drive into San Antonio. But we know that it's tough times for everyone. And I just want you to know that every night and every morning, I pray for all of you. And I know we'll make it through this. And we all just need to stay safe, follow the guidelines. And we at Gromes, we've canceled or postponed our classes until things get better. We know they will. And let's just all be safe. And if you need anything, you give us a call. Doesn't matter what it is, okay? Until next time, take care and God be with you.